Namaskar, Jai Hind. I am Vedana Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to do the complete answer of the exercise Coding Learning Language and Technique. Here, this video is for class 8 computer and now there would be the complete answer of the questions. So first look at the MCQ type questions are here. In the first MCQ type question, first question is which of these coding language need to conversion? Means generally which of these coding language needs no conversion, means there will be no conversion required. The correct answer is machine language. I'm not going to explain each and every one, so I'm giving only correct answer. So the second question is which of these is the most user friendly language? Among these option, that is the high level language is a correct option. So the next is which of this language processor translate the user program line by line? That is the interpreter is a correct answer for the question. So the C is a correct option. The next question is program or code created using a high level language is known as, that is source code. It is known as source code. So the A option is a correct answer. The next is step-wise representation of code language logic is known as, that is known as flowchart. Flowchart is a representation of data in the form of shape and shape. Now the next is which of this symbol is used to represent a process in a flowchart diagram? Among the option, that is the rectangle is a correct option. So the next question is which connector is used to join the off page flowchart? That is among this option, that is the pentagon. C is a correct option for the question. Now the next type of question is answer the following as a true or false. Here statements are here and we have to write whether the statements is true or false. The first is programmer means a language used to write program, computer program. No, false. This is a programmer is only who writes the program. Now the next is the assembly language is a machine level language. Machine language. No, false. This is not a machine level language. The next is the high level language code is machine independent. Yes, this is true. The next is the computer converts a program written in a high level language to machine code in a one go. No, this is false. Now the next is machine language is easier to use as compared to high level language. No, false. This is because machine language cannot be understandable by the human being directly. The next is fill in the blanks. The first is coding language are the most communication between human and computers. So the next is machine language is also known as binary language. This is, so you have to fill up the binary. Now the next is the first and the last step of the flowchart is displayed using oval shaped symbol. Now the next is assembler converts a assembly language code into the machine level language. Now the next is Python is an example of high level generation language. Now the next is the execution of compiled program is faster than the interpreted ones. Now the next type of question is answer the question. The first question is what do you understand by coding language and why do we use this language? The answer is coding language are used to give the instruction to a computer, and the next is we use them to create software, games, website and make computer to do tasks. But the next question is what is the difference between high level language and low level language? The answer is high level language is easy to understand and use like Python and Java, and the low level language is harder to understand and closer to machine level language like assembly language. The next is how is compiler different from interpreter? Compiler changes the whole program into the machine code at once, whereas interpreter translate and run the program line by line. This is the basic difference between compiler and interpreter. The next is what is algorithm and describe the general rules to be followed for writing an algorithm. The answer is algorithm is a step by step way to solve a problem, and the general rules for writing the algorithm is first we start from the beginning. Next is write each step clearly. Third is follow the correct order. Next is in the process properly. The next question is what is flowchart? Describe briefly the symbol used for making a flowchart. Now the answer is the flowchart is a diagram that shows step to solve a problem. The symbol that is used, that is oval shape, it is used for start or end. Now the next is rectangle, it is for process. Now the parallelogram, it is used for either input or output, and the diamond, this is used for decision. So the next you have to make the proper symbol for all this. The next question is what is the difference between on page and off page connector in a flow chart? The answer is on page connector is used to connect the part of flowchart on the same page, whereas off page is used to connect the flowchart that continued on the another page. With this in, if you want the detailed video of any topics, you can ask in the comment box. I would make for you. With this in, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.